Hey guys, it's Iceflower383
And Fireflower383.
And Sunflower 383, but don't check it out because it's like 3 years ago.
and
And it's embarrassing.
my second video and it's Sunday Funday! Yeah, and you saw on the last video, if
Yes,
you saw it, I got this Raichutin and I
For
opened
me,
up some
Go
good
check it out
cards.
before you
I
watch
got
this video because this is the second video. It's part 2.
this one and I pulled this one. It was
Pretty
awesome.
cool. Okay.
And today I have this tin. Let's go. Let's get into it.
It's a
Green
Grookey Rillaboom.
And
If you can get it.
yeah, I got it. I can get it.
She's struggling a lot.
I got it.
Garbage.
Oh! Yeah, there's some Sword and Shield packs in there.
Bloom, however you freaking say it. I said freaking.
Okay.
Yeah, people actually say.
We should probably not say that.
Kids don't say that. Well, I am.
Well,
a
I
kid.
didn't mean to say that. I just
Yeah, sometimes she gets like.
I said
just.
freaking. I'm sorry. I mean, I look.
What? Okay, look at this Rillaboom V. Awesome.
What?
Now
What should I say?
gonna.
Flicker.
She's
Flicker bicker.
she's gonna give you
Oh,
the
flicker
clip.
bicker. Okay. TZN
Yes!
WYTC
Ooh, an
Q7Z
evolutions pack. You should
L4K.
do the evolutions first.
No, I'm
No,
doing.
do that one last.
I'm doing Cosmic Eclipse last because that's.
Oh, yeah.
I'm doing the.
Cosmic Eclipse has been very generous to her.
Yes, it has. I pulled a rainbow rare.
A Rainbow Rare Cosmic
Worth
Eclipse.
$5.
Oh, holy crap! Not Corona, like I said it was.
Okay, first Sun and Moon pack. I got 5 packs.
If you can open it. Oh, you opened that one! Yay!
Just
I'll
get
read
the
it.
card.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, 9V2 XT9L YZW7WN. That's the code. If you can.
I just.
Oh,
That's a good card.
Noivern GX. Whoa.
That was just my first card.
What a great start.
Can you?
That's not how you're supposed to do it. You're
Yeah, I know. Ryan told me to do it. Like, Dark Energy,
Cause that's weird.
Ribbombi, whatever. I can't read. Oh, I hate this
Then
guy.
take the first 5 and put them on the bottom.
Escape Rope. Did I hold it? Yeah. Rhyhorn, which is really weird. Sundigas. Hoot hoot. Tangula. And a Dewpider. Next pack.
That was a good pack. Wow.
Some Sword and Shield pack. Last time
Now do like the first 5 and then put that on the bottom.
Last time I opened up the Raichutin, I got the good card on the first pack too.
Okay.
1, 2,
RH466LL9L7KBL.
I love
That might
Sword
have
and
been
Shield
fast.
packs. The first one I ever opened, I pulled a Cramorant V.
Cool.
I don't have a video on that, but
Ooh, wait, I cannot say that name.
Centicroach.
Centiscorch.
Yeah, cool.
However
Yeah,
you
he
say
can
it.
say all the names. Yeah, I can't say this one either. Clobbopus. Oh,
Clobbopus. You said it right. What is so funny?
Okay, never mind. This is another
She needs
Rhyhorn.
Honestly.
If you're watching, this channel's kind of a little.
Bill Bug.
Chudo.
Flip Bug.
Oh, this one. It's red.
No, it's not. It's just
Yeah, it
bent a
has-
bit.
Rosalie, whatever. Mantine. I like that. Lucky egg. Does that mean I'll get good luck? I hope that's what it means.
Ooh.
Rare candy. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, rare.
Oh, I like the new energies in Sword and Shield.
Oh, that is cool.
Ooh, Frostmoth. It's a hollow Frostmoth.
Okay. My
Oh, you
next.
still have an. Oh wait, no, you have
Sword and
Evolutions and Cosmic Eclipse.
Okay, I'm gonna read it. Z2QNDT9YNYJDW. And that's like the good.
Holy cow, this is good. Gossiflower.
Ooh, I-
Reverse rare. Goldeen! I like Goldeen. Misty has one of those. Clobbopus. It
Yes.
Rhyhorn again. First 3 packs I got right. Bleak Bug. Blip. Wait, no, it's Blip, not Bleak.
You already got that one.
Choodle. I got that.
Is this just like a repeat pack?
Hitmonlee. I don't know. I never got a Hitmonlee. Beady.
Bead.
Blah, blah, blah. Ordinary Rod. Leonhardt pulled this, but like the great.
Bead's my
version.
favorite rival in Sword and Shield.
Oh, I love the energy. Psychic energy.
Oh my god,
and-
the energies are cool.
Orbeetle.
Okay, cool. Next, Evolutions.
Which one are you saving for last?
Cosmic Eclipse. Because that's the one I pulled a Rainbow Rare in, so, you know.
What's the rainbow rare again?
A rainbow rare is like a rainbow colored rare.
Yeah,
card.
and it's rare.
Oh, that's what I thought, but like...
Okay.
My thing is with
There's no energies in these ones. I don't. Yeah.
Evolutions. Why not?
Do you need help?
No, I got it. Okay, yeah.
I was about to say, are you sure about that?
Yes. Here's
Okay.
the code.
Like always, 6Q7, B7ZN, MQ96Z6.
Voltorb.
Dude, I wasn't
Oh,
ready.
this is. Yes, they do.
Oh, okay. I
Fire
thought they didn't have
energy?
energies.
Vulpix.
Isn't this like an old pack?
Tangela.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is old.
Do you want to separate these from the old?
Machop. I hate Machop. No offense, Machop, but Kakuna. Or Trainer. What's it? Yeah, I didn't say it. Haunter. Diglett.
It's Dugtrio, not Diglett.
Oh, look at that energy.
Okay,
we're gonna
Cosmic
keep-
Eclipse.
My
We're
last
gonna
pack.
Keep these
It
separate.
has Togepi,
Oh, this is a shiny too.
Clefairy.
Cluffa.
Turner, it's fine.
No.
Don't listen to him. He's a Debbie Downer.
Himocrat. No. He's a Himocrat.
TTX2NHWPVBWYC. This has a lot of letters in it. That's the
Ooh,
code
look
if
at
you
this
want to
one.
use that.
Oh, reverse.
Driller.
Sneasel. Oh, I have that same Sneasel card.
The baby. Baby. Magnemite. Alolan Grimer. I don't
You
think-
missed my hand.
Lily's Pokédoll. Oh, that's cute. Mimikyu. Watch out, he's gonna be in
What? Are you okay? Like mentally?
Tropos.
Tropius.
Okay, I don't think there's anything.
And?
Oh, Wailord! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I
Okay,
like
that looks
Okay,
good.
so I got a good. Oh no, my AirPods. I got.
You got really good
wait,
cards, but
yeah, I pulled this one in the first.
and then you
pack.
had a really broom.
Yeah, but
Why do you always pull good cards in the first pack? It's like,
first pack magic? But I know it's supposed to be last pack magic.
I know. That's weird. I think that's weird. But anyways, this is as many cards as we opened in this pack. Ooh.
I just got it.
6 trainers. I think this was that. No, that's the same amount of energies. And 4. So we got less energies and trainers in this one, but that just means more Pokemon cards. So yeah. So that was Sunday Fun Day video.
Oh, and I'm gonna show some of the cards I already do have, like in like real life.
Do you want me to show these?
No, I want to show. Okay, so I have a Pikachu EX. I have a Dragonite EX. I have a Steelix EX. I have an Umbreon GX.
And
And a Raichu Alolan Raichu tag team. Okay,
which
we're gonna
it's a GX.
make sure you leave a big
Like,
and a
subscribe.
and bye. See you in
At the same time, no.
and see you in the next